The Irrigation and Waterways Department welcomes you at the Teesta Barrage, the heart of one of Eastern India's largest multi-purpose major irrigation project. The barrage is located on the perennial Teesta River in Jalpaiguri and acts as the lifeline for the people of North Bengal. Teesta Barrage, along with two other pickup barrages and a 1,218 km long main and branch canal network, irrigates approximately 2.5 lakh acres of land annually in its command area. It plays a pivotal role in ensuring uninterrupted water supply to the Siliguri town and is also catalytic for generating 67.5 megawatt hydroelectric power. Previously, the 45 barrage gates and 17 head regulator gates used to be operated manually through push-button motors leveraging a rope drum-based hoist system. This required more than a kilometer-long walk and operating switches fitted to individual gate motors. This was time-consuming and operationally hazardous. In 2018, the department initiated a modernization drive to improve the efficiency of the barrage through numerous interventions, such as undertaking a thorough refurbishment of all the 62 gates, upgradation of electrical drives, and installation of a dedicated supply and distribution system along with arrangements for alternate solar power and generators. Installation of an automated gate operation and control system enabled by a programmable logic controller with supervisory control and data acquisition, popularly known as PLC SCADA, and installation of automated rain gauges for measuring rainfall, silt transducer for measuring silts entering the canals through the barrage, and an acoustics Doppler current profiler for determination of river and canal profiles. The series of technological upgradations have ensured efficient operation of the barrage gates in accordance with the flow of Teesta, which now helps in efficient and optimal utilization of water resources. The automated information capturing and dissemination system through PLC SCADA has also enabled the development of an early flood warning system for the river basin. This system now disseminates real-time information about probable flood occurrences in the lower basin area to the concerned regional and district flood management centers. The automation project has thus yielded multiple benefits in terms of minimizing manual effort, enabling precise and real-time data sharing, safe storage of critical data, and enhancing overall operational efficiency of the barrage. The project, which was strategically commissioned before the monsoon of 2019, has been a pioneering initiative, withstanding the geographical and climatic challenges of the sub-Himalayan foothills. It is due to the able administrative conviction, commitment, and inspiration of the Honorable Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, that the implementation of this ambitious modernization project has been successful. This project has laid the foundation for many more such initiatives in days to come.